Stage fright. G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen, the Ice Cream Bloke, broadcasting across the interwebs from St. Louis, Missouri, the hub of all things ice cream. Scoop School here. Thanks for joining us, and I don't say that lightly. Our subscriber rate's rapidly increasing, the engagement in comments down below. I have a lot of our suppliers reaching out and saying, hey, people who are watching the videos are actually contacting us, which is awesome. That's the way it's supposed to work. So you may want to call Rod Oranger from iRice & Co. Based in Philadelphia. They make base flavors, they make water ice, they make hot fudge pumps, some of the best caramel fudge I've ever had in my life. iriceco.com. Click on the link below, tell them that I said hello. I want to talk about a cone, a particular type of cone today that you don't see around here often, and a lot of companies sell it, but you don't see it. And that is, now I would call this the double banger. Madeline calls it double trouble. It is a 2-scoop cone, or a 2-portion cone. And I know it doesn't have a flat bottom, so you can't kind of sit it down anywhere, but I don't understand why more stores don't offer this very unique cone. It says Dandy on it. This is from the Joy Cone Company. They've got a great sample box. In fact, let me just hang on a second. So they have this sample box which comes, I asked for, and it's got all these kind of cones and cookies and different things, and in it is this double trouble. Even though iRice sponsored this video, I feel as though Joy Cone's kind of taken over. Get some of these and try them out. You don't have to do them the whole time, but I think that as a kid, I remember in Brisbane, Australia, going and getting 2 soft serve flavors on 1 cone, kind of like this. And it was always really cool that you could have vanilla and chocolate. Now I know you can do the twist. Madeline wants to see this? I just think it's cool that you can offer 2 flavors on the 1 cone. And that's really all this video is about. How cool I think this dual top cone is. Ask your cone supplier whether they have them. A little bit of vanilla on this side, a little bit of chocolate on this side, a little bit of vanilla on this side, a little bit of chocolate on this side. There's a bit of silliness going on, but in this day and age, where you've really got to try and stand out among competitors. You've really got to try and stand out from the grocery store who's selling ice cream, and sure, it's convenient to pick up a tub of ice cream and take it home, but when you have these different elements, these different cones that offer people different products, I think they're worth investigating. Even if, look, do a limited time offer. In the grand scheme of things, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But you can't say that you didn't run it up the flagpole and try it 1 time. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. So, thank you for iRice. Have a look at just some of the weird and wacky cones you can get. Roll it out for a couple of weeks, maybe 1 weekend, see if they like it. Engage your customers. Give us a thumbs up if you like the double trouble. Give us the thumbs down if you don't. Maybe have a competition to name that particular cone or that particular product. Get people involved. When people are involved in the development of your menu items, they feel more connected emotionally to your business. I testify to that. And again, thank you to iRice. I know I said it before, but I'll say it again because they're great people. Look, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the ice cream business, drop us a line. That's all we do, literally. We're in the office here just waiting for people to comment, to say, what about this? What about that? What about a 2-headed cone? We can do it. We've got the capacity. We have the technology. I'm just rambling now. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next video. Yeah.